Welcome back. Let's do question 9b2. On the set of x's, sketch the graph of the inverse of g of x. In question 9b1, we managed to sketch the graph of g, which is this graph here. So now we want the graph which is the inverse of g. So remember, for the inverse graph, the x coordinate becomes the y coordinate, and the y coordinate becomes the x coordinate. Even the asymptote changes. Where there's x, we write y. So it means our asymptote becomes what? Our asymptote becomes y is equal to 0. Our asymptote becomes y is equal to 0. So this is our asymptote, which is y is equal to 0. This coordinate 1, 0 becomes 0, 1 because x becomes y becomes x. So it's 0, 1, which is here. And then 4, 2 becomes 2, 4. 2, 4, which is here. And then now we can sketch our graph. This is the graph of the inverse of g.